Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a pre-owned 2011 Bayliner 235. The 235 is a 23.5-foot boat. Great boat to trailer around to different lakes here in Minnesota. We'll walk around the outside first. You can kind of see this has a black hull side color with a white bottom and the white up on top. And then on the back here, you got a nice two-tiered swim platform. You can step here up into there and then into the boat. Great place to hang out if you're with the family anchored or if you're getting ready to do some sort of water sports. So more stuff to see on the interior, so join me aboard. All right, welcome aboard this 2011 235 Bayliner. So on the back with the seats all in, you've got a nice sun pad in the back. You can get rid of that middle cushion and make it a nice walk through into the boat as well. But when we get into the boat, we've got nice U-shaped seating all the way around. Probably fit 5-6 people in here nice and comfortably. We got the two captain's chairs side by side. We do have the snap in, snap out carpet. We got storage in the floor, storage on both sides, and then the bimini that's attached is easily taken off of the boat if you don't need it for a certain day that you're out on the lake. And then we have the helm here. We got the nice gauges. There is a depth finder. There is a stereo system in here. This does have the mercury. It's a 5.0 liter merc in this particular boat. And then as we come up to the front, being that's a 23-foot boat, it's nice and deep. So when you're going across a bigger lake, you feel a little bit safer. Storage underneath here, some storage underneath on those sides as well. Like I said, this is a 2011 235 Bayliner. It has roughly just under 100 hours, so not many hours on this boat. It does come with the trailer as well. So this is here at our Rogers location. You can stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment to come see it. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.